Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today I just want to show you we got our iPORT CONNECT PRO, our new iPad Pro, and the case for that. So with this, it allows you to tabletop with this particular base anywhere you want, where you got power, and it just induction to the top of here with a magnetic, and it charges as well. So with no longer ado, let's go ahead and open it up, check it out, see what it looks like here. So I kind of got it mocked up. Hopefully you guys can see pretty well here. So first things first, we open it up and we can see our charging board in the back, and it's actually got the little plug-in that's going to go to the bottom of the iPad. So pretty simple, easy way to do it. They also send you this little bitty tool here. So, and the tool is actually used to release this once you put it on if you need to take it off. So always keep your tool handy. Just a little bitty pen, so you can always find something to use, but it's easier to keep it handy. So, and I've already went ahead and set up this iPad for our client today. So let me see if I can't get it out of here. So, and a brand new iPad, set it up this morning. So as you can see, it just kind of slides down, make the connection down there at the bottom, and then we'll put on the top. It just kind of glides over it. Here it's snapped into place. Now it's locked, protected, and you can see right here is the actual charging induction area. So now that we got that piece done, we can move on to the station itself. So you're always going to get one of these in every one of the boxes right on the top. Fancy cardboard, nothing in it though. We got another piece here, but if I tip that forward, you can see it. They seated in there with all that cardboard so it doesn't move around. The thing actually does weigh a lot more than I thought it did. The older models did not weigh this much for sure. And then we have our other box here, which is going to have our power supply and all the different connections from wherever you need to plug. So we just need that one right there. I'll set that off to the side. And that actually just slides down on there like so. And we have a cable groove here in the back for it. And then once you actually have that in that groove, there's like a little spring lever back here. If I can get it to poke out, let's use this tool that they gave us. It basically just goes over the power and allows it to, not be pulled out. So as you can see there, it just kind of holds it in place. But that's your iPad dock here, and there you go. And you can turn it any way you want, all orientations, it doesn't matter. It's still going to charge and work like you want it to. So that's it, guys. We'll put out another video here soon on the actual wall mount version. But remember to like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys next time. You have a great day.